Hey, ever found yourself stuck choosing between a porch and a patio? You're not the only one. I've been there too, trying to figure out which one adds more value, fits the vibe I want, and works best with the space I've got. So, in this quick video, I'll break it all down for you. No fluff, just the real differences, pros, cons, and what you should think about before picking one. Let's start with porches. A porch is usually at the front or back of your house, built right into it, like an extension of your home. It's raised, has a roof, and gives you a sheltered spot to hang out, greet guests, or just chill with a coffee. I personally love porches for that cozy feel. They create a welcoming first impression and make your home feel warmer, literally and figuratively. But here's the thing, they do cost more to build. Between the roofing, the foundation, maybe even railings or screens, it adds up. Plus, if it's wood, expect regular upkeep. You'll need to clean, paint, maybe fix up some rot over time. Now, patios, these are the low-key, flexible outdoor zones. They're built at ground level, usually in the backyard or off to the side. No roof, just open air. You can design them however you want, brick, stone, pavers, whatever fits your style. They're perfect for barbecues, outdoor dinners, or just soaking up the sun. And the best part? Way more budget-friendly. A patio can cost a fraction of what a porch does. Maintenance is lighter too. Maybe sweep it, pressure wash now and then, pull a few weeds between the pavers. That's about it. The only downside? There's no built-in cover. So if the weather turns, whether it's pouring rain or blazing hot, you'll need something like an umbrella or a pergola to stay comfortable. So here's the short version. Go for a porch if you want a charming, sheltered space that feels like part of the house. Choose a patio if you want a flexible, open space that's easy on the wallet and great for hosting. Personally, I love a good porch for relaxing in the shade, but for entertaining, a patio wins every time. At the end of the day, it's all about how you want to use your space. So think about your lifestyle, your budget, and how much time you want to spend maintaining it, and you'll know exactly which one's right for you. Hit like if this helped, and let me know in the comments. Are you team porch or team patio?